Welcome to LSB Designs. My name's Laura. Today I'm going to be doing the first in a 3-part mini series, and this one's going to be a Dutch paw. Be back in a moment. Hi everyone. Right, so this is my little 6-inch MDF board. Now the reason that it's an MDF board is because it's going to be made into a clock, and it's going to be in the middle of 2 6-inch little canvases. I've made sure that it's nice and level. I've used my spirit level to get that done, and my base colour is the Sennelier titanium white, and my colours today are the Sennelier Mars black, Arteza pearl sapphire blue, Pebeo's iridescent silver, Winsor & Newton's Prussian blue, and Pebeo's iridescent blue green. So I've put my base coat down, I've touched all my bubbles, so now I'm going to start layering my paint. I'm going to start off with my black. Just bring those all forward a bit so you can see them still. I think you can just about see them. So I'm starting off with my Mars black, and then I'm using the pearl sapphire, followed by the iridescent silver, the Prussian blue, and the iridescent blue green. So I'm just going to give those a quick touch, blowing air bubbles, and then I'm going to blow this out. And here we go. There we go. That has got some beautiful shimmer in it. Looks really pretty. Just want to do a little bit with my airbrush. And there we go. I just wanted to soften up a couple of those edges. But I'm really pleased with that. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. And here we are. You can see some of that lovely shimmer. And there we are. So there we are. That's the first in the series done. please come back and see the next two that are going to be going alongside this little beauty. Please hit the subscription button if you like what you saw, and the notification bell, and that way you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.